Hi guys, Lens here. If you have one of these phones and you are experiencing problems connecting your phone to your computer, you want to go to phone right here, the keypad. You want to dial star number sign 0808 number sign, and as you can see these settings, right? Mine's already set to the last one. You want to see which one of the settings are set on your device, so you can choose MTP plus ADB. This is the mode that you want to set to get your phone detected on your computer. If you are doing developer work on your phone, like unlocking your phone, removing a Google verification account, you will need to select this one. If you are experiencing the problem that this is not working, you want to choose this one. You want to press OK. If it's not working, you want to put this in back, which is star number sign 0808 number sign. You will want to choose the one that you want to use, and then you want to reboot the device. So if for some reason you experience that your phone is not detecting via computer, this is how you fix the issue, and I hope that this was a helpful one. Also, you can turn on the USB debugging. If you turn on the debugging settings, it will show you exactly what you need to do to connect your phone to the PC. So when you connect your device to your computer, you will see here USB charging. You want to tap here. You want to select transfer files. Now your files should be showing up on your computer. You can see right there that it is showing up. And here is it. Also, bear in mind, if you are getting any further issues, you can go to your developer mode and you can enable the debugging setting for your USB, which is right here. So if your developer mode is not on, you want to go into about phone. I am going to show you how to put this on now. You want to go to software information. You want to hit on the build number 7 times. So once you hit 7 times, your developer mode will be enabled, and you can go right inside your developer options, enable USB debugging. Guys, I hope that this was helpful. My name is Lens. Like, share, subscribe, and all of that good stuff. I'm out.